What if we could feed billions more people with fewer resources? Imagine crops that resist drought and food that never spoils. Welcome to the world of genetically modified food production, a world where science meets sustainability. Genetically modified, GM, foods have been developed to resist pests, endure harsh climates, and even enhance our health. But how are these changes impacting the food system, and what does the future hold? In a world facing unpredictable climate patterns, GM crops can withstand droughts, floods, and extreme temperatures. By engineering crops to resist pests and disease, we reduce the need for pesticides, making farming more sustainable. A GM golden rice grain transitioning into a bowl of rice, children benefiting from nutrient-rich foods. Yet with all its benefits, GM technology comes with environmental risks, like the potential for superweeds and biodiversity loss. As biotech corporations control the majority of GM seed patents, small-scale farmers face financial challenges. For many, access to GM seeds means competing in a new, high-stakes agricultural world. Public opinion on GM foods is mixed, with concerns about safety, transparency, and labeling. Some consumers seek alternatives like organic or non-GM foods, sparking debate about choice in food labeling. As genetic modification redefines our food system, we must ask ourselves, how do we responsibly balance innovation with sustainability? The answer will shape the future of food for generations to come.
Good morning, everyone. I'm here over from to talk all about a radical alteration of food system because of genetic modification in food production. Genetic modification have radically transformed the food system, creating both opportunities and challenges. Here's how the technology has altered the landscape of food production. 1. Increase of agricultural efficiency and yield. 2. Enhance nutritional profiles. 3 is reduced dependency on chemicals. 4 is greater food security. 5 is longer shelf life and reduced waste. 6 is potential impact on biodiversity. And 7 is economic and ethical implications. 8 is health and safety concerns. And that's all. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. I'm Roma Bosa, and I'm here to discuss about how genetic modification revolutionizing our food system. Genetic modification is involved to altering the DNA of a crops or animals nga nag-introduce sa mga traits, such as like resistance sa mga pesticide, improved nutritional content, o enhanced growth rate. This modification can lead to efficient food production, increased yields, and potentially maubos ang mga bayronon. So this modification concerned po sila about sa environmental impact, biodiversity, and ethical issue resulting in radical shift of agricultural practices and food system worldwide.
Hello, good day to each and everyone. I'm Christian Dave Calves from Base IT, and I'm here to share my opinion of how genetic modification is revolutionizing our food system. Genetic modification, or GM, is revolutionizing our food system by transforming how crops and livestock are developed, improving their resilience, natural value, and environmental impact. By altering the DNA of plants, scientists have created crops that can withstand herbicides, resist pests, and even survive droughts. These advancements increase crop yields, allowing farmers to produce more food and fewer resources, which is critical as global demand of food rises. For example, pest-resistant GM crops reduce the needs for pesticides, minimizing both environmental damage and health risks. Other modifications like nutrient-enriched golden rice have been created to address malnutrition, demonstrating how GM technology can improve food security and public health in underserved regions. So, in addition to improve crop resilience, GM technology is making strides in reducing food waste and enhancing animal welfare. Genetically modified apples and potatoes, for example, resist browning and browsing, for helping consumers and retailers keep produce fresh longer and reduce waste. GM technology also extends to livestock, where scientists are exploring modifications that help animals resist disease, reducing the need for antibiotics and improving animal welfare. This innovation demonstrates how genetic modification is reshaping the food system to be more innovative, demon- innovative, sustainable, and resilient, ultimately helping to meet the challenges of climate change, population growth, and food security in the years ahead. And that's all. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Memekizan. I discuss how genetic modifications is revolutionizing in our food system. Changing the genes of plants called genetic modifications is a big deal for how we grow food. It could help us grow more food, make it healthier, and use less harmful chemicals. Imagine crops that can survive droughts or resist pests, making farming easier and more sustainable. This could also mean more nutritious food for everyone, especially in places where people don't have enough to eat. But we need to be careful of that. So, changing genes could have unexpected effects on environment or create new problems we don't understand. It is important to study these changes carefully and make sure they are safe for people and the planet.